In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group call on Microsoft Teams for Windows. Whether you're working remotely, conducting team meetings, or just want to connect with multiple people at once, group calls are a powerful way to stay in touch and collaborate efficiently. I'll walk you through the steps so you can start or join a call with confidence and ease. First, open Microsoft Teams on your Windows device. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Microsoft account credentials. Signing in is important because it gives you access to all features, including group calls. Once logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard where you can see recent chats, your teams, and scheduled meetings. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Meet Now button with a small drop-down arrow beside it. Click the drop-down arrow to reveal more options. Here, you'll find several ways to start a new meeting. For today, select Audio Call. This option is perfect if you want a voice-only group call without video. Audio calls are great when participants have limited bandwidth or when video isn't necessary. Once you select Audio Call, a new window will appear where you can start inviting people to your call. You'll see a search bar or invite field where you can enter the names or emails of the colleagues, friends, or family members you want to include. As you type, Teams will suggest contacts you frequently communicate with, making the process faster and easier. Select the participants you want to call, and they'll be added to your call list. Don't worry if you forget someone. You can always add more people later during the call. Before starting the call, take a moment to check your audio settings. At the bottom of the window, you'll find options to adjust your microphone and speaker. Ensuring your audio is clear is crucial so everyone can hear you properly and avoid technical difficulties once the call begins. Finally, when your participants are selected and your audio settings are ready, click the Start Call button. Your invitees will receive a notification or an incoming call in their Teams application, prompting them to join. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily start a group audio call on Microsoft Teams using your Windows device. The process is flexible, user-friendly, and works well for both professional and personal communication. Group calls make staying connected with multiple people smooth and efficient, whether you're collaborating on projects, discussing ideas, or just catching up. Thanks for watching, and happy calling.